Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's start an online session of Standard 7th Mathematics, and today in Unit 2 Operations on Rational Numbers we will see what are the different properties of rational numbers, so that using this property we can solve the rational number, means divide the rational number. In the previous session, we have learnt about division of rational numbers, and today we are going to learn about the properties of division of rational numbers. See here, in the first property of division of rational number, division of a rational number by another rational number except 0 is again a rational number. Means just leave the 0. If you will divide any rational number with any rational number, then whatever the result, whatever the answer, the solution of that division is again a rational number. See here, three different examples are there. 5 by 3 divided by minus 4 by 3 equals to, when we multiply it, means division is not possible directly, so we have to take the reciprocal of the second number, and reciprocal you have already studied. So convert numerator into denominator, replace, and numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. So 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by sign 3 by minus 4 equals to minus 5 by 4, because 3 gets cancelled. 4 upon 9 divided by 9 by 4. Convert that division sign into multiplication. So 4 by 9 multiplied by 4 by 9. So nothing gets cancelled here. So the answer is 16 by 81. Similarly, 0 divided by rational number is possible, but rational number divided by 0 is not possible. So when we divide 0 by any number, the answer is 0, that is, it is again a rational number. So division of a rational number by another rational number except 0 is again a rational number. The second property of a rational number is, when a rational number that is non-zero, it is not 0, we don't have to take here 0. When a rational number is divided by the same rational number, the quotient is 1. We know this property because in the previous classes, when we divide the same number by same number, means 2 divided by 2 equals to 1. Yes, it is. So here also the same. When we divide the rational number with the same rational number, the answer is 1. Now, but we will see how we will get the 1. See here, minus 3 by 4 divided by minus 3 by 4. We actually know the same number division is 1. But see, by the process, division we have to convert it into multiplication. For that we have to take the reciprocal. So in the second number, numerator goes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator. So 4 gets cancelled because 4 is in numerator and 4 is in denominator, and minus sign is also gets cancelled, and 3 divided by 3, that also gets cancelled. So everything gets cancelled. So 3 by 3 1, 4 1. So the answer is 1. So when a rational non-zero number is divided by the same number, the quotient is 1. Another easy property, that is property 3. When a rational number is divided by 1, the quotient is same the rational number. Means any number divided by 1, the answer is same number. See here the question. minus 4 by 5 divided by 1. Minus 4 by 5 divided by 1 means what? Division changes into multiplication. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1. So the answer is minus 4 by 5, because any number multiplied by 1 means the same number. So the property 3 is what? When a rational number is divided by 1, the quotient is same rational number. Fourth property, if x and y are non-zero rational numbers, then in general x divided by y is not equal to y divided by x. So commutative property does not hold true for division. For multiplication it is true, for addition it is true, means when we multiply the two numbers we can change the order, that is commutative property. When you add the two number means 3 plus 4, so the 4 plus 3 answer is same. So this is the commutative property, but this is not true for the for the subtraction and the division also. So here let's see one example which will prove that this property, commutative property, does not hold true for the division. See here two examples, two numbers 3 by 2 and minus 4 by 5. So first we will divide 3 by 2 and minus 4 by 5. Take its reciprocal, convert the division sign into multiplication. Nothing gets cancelled, so 3 5s are 15 and 2 into minus 4 means minus 8. So answer is minus 15 upon 8. Now change the number. First number becomes second and second number becomes first. Divide it again. Take the reciprocal of this. So multiply by 2 by 3. So minus 8 upon 15. Now just check the answer whether it is same or different. They are not same, and therefore x divided by y is not equal to y divided by x. Property 5. If x, y, z means, just now we have seen the for two numbers, now this is the property for three numbers. X, y, z are the non-zero rational numbers, then in general x divided by y whole bracket divided by z is not equal to x divided by in the bracket y plus z. Means for three numbers it is called associative property, which is not hold true for the division, but it is true for the multiplication and addition, but again it is not true for the subtraction. So in subtraction and division we are not going to change the order of the numbers, because the answers we will get different, but we can change the order of the numbers, means we can change the sequence, first becomes second, second becomes third, in addition and multiplication, but not in subtraction and division. So this property is known as associative property. Two number it is commutative property, and for three numbers it is associative property. So let's see the example. X, y and z are the three different numbers are there. So first we will divide x and y. So its answer is minus 3 by 2. Then minus 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 6. Again take the reciprocal 6 by 5. So it is minus 3 into 3 upon 5, that equals to minus 9 by 5. Now change the order. X divided by in the bracket y divided by z, means we have to solve the bracket first. So take the reciprocal again, it becomes 6 by 5. See here, nothing gets cancelled. No, something gets cancelled. Yes, 6 by 9. So 6 and 9 gets cancelled with 3. So minus 4 by 2, 4 into 2 and 3 multiplied by 5. So this becomes minus 8 upon 15. Now 2 by 3 divided by minus 8 upon 15 means again we have to take the reciprocal. So it becomes 2 by 3 into 15 upon 8. See, something gets cancelled. Yes, 2 and 8 gets cancelled with each other, and 3 and 15 gets cancelled. So your answer is 5 upon minus 4. Now just compare the two answers. Though the numbers are same, the sequence is different. We had taken here the different numbers, and in the second time we had taken the different numbers to solve first. So the answer is not same, and therefore associative property does not hold true for division. So see the property 6. If x, y, z are rational numbers, then addition of two numbers divided by z is equal to x divided by z plus y divided by z, and x minus y divided by z equals to x divided by z minus y divided by z. For three non-zero rational numbers x, y, z, now if x divided by whole bracket y plus z, that is not equal to x divided by y plus x divided by z. So that is distributive property does not hold true for the division. So here is the small assignment for you, which is based on the properties of division. So you have to try it, and hope you understand the properties, different properties of the rational division of rational number. So this assignment only to help you to check your understanding, and I hope you try this assignment honestly by your own. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.